Hey everyone, in this video we're going to decode one of the most talked about names in AI right now, Meta's Llama. You may have heard it mentioned alongside GPT and other big models, but what exactly is it? Is it just another chatbot or something much bigger? Let's break it down step by step in a simple way, and we'll also pause for quick quizzes so you can check your understanding as we go. If you've been following AI news even casually, you've probably heard the name Llama again and again. It has become a major part of AI conversations because it comes from Meta, the company behind Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. That backing alone makes people pay attention. But beyond the brand name, Llama matters because it reflects a major shift in how advanced AI models are entering the wider tech ecosystem. A common misunderstanding is to think of Llama as simply Meta's version of ChatGPT. That's not quite right. While Llama can power chat experiences, it is not limited to chatbot use. It is better understood as a foundational AI model that can be used for many language-related tasks. So instead of seeing it as one app, think of it as the engine that can sit behind many different AI applications. The name Llama stands for Large Language Model, Meta, AII. That already tells us something important. It is a large language model, which means it is designed to work with human language at scale. And importantly, the article makes it clear that Llama is not just one single model. It is a family of models created by Meta. Here's a simple analogy. Llama is less like one specific car and more like a car brand with multiple models. Some versions may focus on speed, some on efficiency, and some on handling heavier tasks. In the same way, the Llama family can include different model sizes or capabilities depending on what developers or systems need. Now that we've covered Llama basics, let's test what we've learned so far. Here's quiz number 1. See if you can get it right. Question 1. Who backs the Llama model family? The correct answer is Meta. The article clearly says Llama is backed by Meta, the company behind Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Question 2. According to the article, Llama is best described as what? The correct answer is a family of large language models. The article explains that Llama is not one single thing. It is a family of large language models. Question 3. Which comparison is used to explain Llama in the article? The correct answer is a car brand with different models. The article uses the car brand analogy to show that Llama includes different models for different needs. Like other large language models, Llama is trained on a massive amount of text and data. During this training, it learns patterns in language. That includes grammar, sentence structure, how ideas connect, and how words change meaning depending on context. This is what gives the model its ability to respond in a way that feels coherent and human-like. The article highlights several things Llama learns from training. It develops an understanding of grammar and context, it absorbs factual patterns from data, and it gains some reasoning ability. It also picks up different styles of writing. That means it can adapt its output depending on the kind of task or tone required, whether formal, casual, technical, or explanatory. At the most basic level, Llama's core job is surprisingly simple. It predicts the next word in a sequence. But when this is done at a massive scale, with powerful training and lots of data, that simple process becomes incredibly capable. By repeatedly predicting what should come next, the model can generate long, fluent responses that sound natural and useful. Because of this next word prediction ability, Llama can do much more than just chat. It can answer questions, generate human-like text, write code, and translate between languages. So the real story is not that Llama is one chatbot. The real story is that it is a flexible language engine that can support many tasks across the modern AI ecosystem. Now that we've covered how it works, let's test what we've learned so far. Here's quiz number 2. See if you can get it right. Question 1. What is the basic task Llama performs during text generation? The correct answer is predicts the next word. The article says Llama's fundamental skill is predicting the next word in a sequence. Question 2. Which of these is not mentioned as something Llama learns from training? The correct answer is weather sensing. The article mentions grammar, context, facts, reasoning abilities, and writing styles, but not weather sensing. Question 3. Which task is mentioned as something Llama can do? The correct answer is translate languages. The article specifically lists translating languages as one of Llama's capabilities. That's it for this quick breakdown of Meta's Llama. If the term felt confusing before, hopefully now it feels much clearer. In the world of AI, understanding the model behind the headlines is very important, and Llama is definitely one of those names worth knowing. See you in the next video.